What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix GTA 5 fail to initialize error code 1005 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here on the documents and navigate to this particular folder over here on the documents, and if you find any folder named Rockstar Games, right click on this one and go for delete it. Before deleting, we should take a complete backup, because if something goes wrong, you should not be affected. So make sure that you completely take a backup. You can first make a backup over here by copying this onto the desktop, and you can just go over here, right click and go for delete it, and you have to check. So still if you're having the trouble, the next one is all related to the Windows security. So make these changes. So just go over here, search for the Windows security, and you have to click on this one. And right now from here, what we need to do is, once you click on this one, just go over here and click on the first one, that is virus and threat protection. And if you scroll down over here, you can see there is an option called the first and foremost step. Just click on the manage settings. And the first step is all about just turn on the real-time protection. That's what you have to do as the first step. After turning off the real-time protection, if it's not working, then what we need to do is we just need to keep scrolling down over here. After turning off the real-time protection, if the game is still not launching, keep scrolling down and navigate to add or remove exclusion and go for yes. And right now we need to add the game. So you can see I have already added the Grand Theft Auto over here. Similarly, we need to add the game. So first I need to know where the game is installed. So if I go over here on the manage and click on the browse local file. So over here, if I minimize this, you can see the game might be over here. So it is installed on local disk E over here, as you can see. So what I need to do is I need to add it. And after it's successfully added, as you can see, I have already added the GTA 5 over here. Once you add it, what we need to do is make sure once it is added, you have to go back. And this time, apart from this, also need to click on the manage settings. And if you scroll down, you might be able to find manage controlled folder access. Click on this one. And over here, we need to allow an app through controlled folder access. Click on this one, go for yes. And we need to add the game. So just go over here, add allow an app. You just need to click on browse apps. Just go over here, go to local disk D, Steam library, Steam apps common. And this time we need to go back, scroll down and navigate to GTA 5. So if you find somewhere else over here, if you scroll down, you might be finding GTA 5. So just go back over here. Now just let me go to this E, Steam library, Steam apps common. Just go back, go to Grand Theft Auto, scroll down, and we need to add it. Once it is added, we also need to add one more. That is, just go over here, get into folder named x64. Not this one. If you go back, you might be finding, social club should also be added. Not only the game, the social club should also be added. Afterwards, close this and we have to check. This is what we have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. Most probably after trying these steps, if you go back, you will not be having the issue with GTA 5 in order to play. And that's what you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.